Hello, and welcome to our 15-minute nighttime flow. This gentle flow will help release stress in the body and bring you into a calm and gentle state ready for sleep. All you'll need today is a blanket. I have mine folded up into this shape because we're going to begin in child pose. Bringing the knees onto the mat, let the knees come out a little wider than your rib cage. And then walk your hands forward and let the forehead come down. Take a slow breath in here. And a slow breath out. Notice where you can find some space in your body. Take another breath. Sigh out. Inhale, breathing in your entire week. Exhale, let it out. Inhale, breathing in your entire day. Exhale, let it go. Breathing in anything that happened before you came to your mat. Exhale, let it go. Let's start to rock the forehead side to side, releasing any tightness, any tension around the neck, jaw, the face. Maybe you need to move the face or the jaw to help release that tension. Go ahead and do that. On the next breath, we'll gently come up onto the hands and then slowly lower the body all the way down. Bring your legs closer, maybe even touching. Shoulder blades roll back. I'm going to lift the chest. Let's slide the hands forward, bringing the elbows under the shoulders, coming to a Sphinx pose. Bend your tailbone into the ground and start to lift the rib cage up and forward, finding length in your spine. Take a deep inhale through the nose, lengthen your neck. Exhale through the mouth. Might feel good to roll the head in a gentle circle. And if you're doing a circle, go in both directions. Be easy, be gentle. Inhale, lengthening, finding center. Exhale, lower down. We'll bring the hands under the forehead and just pause here on the belly for a moment. On the next breath, bring your hands under your shoulders and take your time. Press back to child pose. Tuck the toes. Let's lift the hips as we stretch through the legs, coming into our downward dog. It might feel good here to pedal out the feet, bending one knee at a time. Awaken things up, releasing the tightness that's there from the day. And then we'll find stillness, holding the pose for 2 full breaths. As you inhale, slowly walking to the top of the mat. Set your feet as wide as the mat. Gently bend your knees and just hang forward. I like to hold opposite elbows here and let the head hang, feeling that stretch and traction through the spine. If your body wants to move, you're welcome to gently rock side to side. And again, just being easy and gentle with any movement, nice and slow. Deep breaths. Letting the exhale release the tension in the body. And then we'll bring the hands down to the mat. And we'll slowly lower those hips down to the ground. I'll bring the soles of the feet to touch. Let's take our blanket that's behind us and just fold it in half so it's a little bit thicker. We're going to slide this under the hips, just under the tailbone. Good. Give your hips a little lift. The soles of the feet are touching. Let's hold the ankles. Inhale, sitting tall. Exhale, gently tuck your chin, but keep the spine long. Good. This is another good place to release tension from the face or the jaw. It's also maybe a good time to rock the head side to side, getting a little more stretch in the neck if that's what you need. If that's not what you need tonight, then just be still. Just hold there. Let's all soften around the knees and the hips. Let those legs open a bit more. Let go of some of the tightness that's holding on around the hip joint. And we'll gently bring the knees together. Let's remove that blanket. We'll bring it back in a moment. We're just going to lower down onto our back. Hug your knees into your chest. Deep breath in. As you exhale, we'll bring the knees over to the left side. Bring it close to your left elbow and extend your right arm all the way out. If you're feeling tightness around your hip or any discomfort in your low back, take your blanket, fold it up one more time so that it's a little bit thicker, and place that between the knees so that you have more closer to hips distance between the legs. Stretching the right arm out, maybe turn your head to the right. And we'll take 3 slow breaths in this twist. If you have the blanket between the knees, keep it there, squeezing the knees together. We'll bring it into center. And then gently take it over to the other side, knees close to the right elbow, extending the left arm out, making any adjustments so that you feel comfortable here, same as you did on the other side. And breathe. On the next inhale, slowly coming back to center, we'll set the blanket off to the side. And we're going to extend the feet straight up. If this is hard to do, then we're going to use the blanket again. We're going to unfold it a little bit so it's flatter. Place that under the hips so that you have a little bit of lift through the hips. And that might help you put your feet up in the air. You want to try and have close to a flat or comfortable back on the floor. Shoulder blades are definitely flat on the floor. Let's all stretch the arms out, palms face up. Let the feet relax. Let the face relax. Take another breath. What do you need to release from today? Allow yourself to get grounded as you connect to the earth. On the next breath, let's come into happy baby pose, bringing the knees outside of the rib cage, holding the feet or the backs of the legs. Deep hip stretch here. Option to rock side to side. And it's up to you if you want to keep the blanket under the tailbone or if you want to remove it. Just listen to what your body needs here. The body is very wise. It knows what it needs. For instance, it got you here on your mat, telling you, I need to stretch and release today's tension before I can relax. Last breath or two in your happy baby pose. And then we'll gently release, hugging the knees into the chest. We'll gently roll onto our left side and slowly come up to sit. We're going to take our blanket now, and we're going to fold it up so it's a little bit smaller, a little thicker. And we're going to place that behind us. We're going to gently lower down so that the rib cage and the shoulder blades are on the blanket and the head is off. We're going to stretch those arms out, nice extension. You can either extend your legs straight or, if the hips allow, bring the feet to touch and let the knees open to the side. Wherever you choose to be to release tightness is great. Be sure it's a place that you can hold for at least 8 breaths. Breathing in your day. Letting it go. Releasing stress as you exhale. Creating space in the mind, body, and heart for how you want to feel. Breathing in calm, breathing in peace. Exhale, letting go of stress. Let's all take a deep breath in. Stretch the arms up overhead. Bring the knees together. And we'll gently roll onto the right side. And slowly press up to sit. We'll sit on the blanket, lifting the hips up a bit. We'll bring the hands face down on the legs as we sit up tall. Let the eyes close gently. Inhale, filling the body with breath. Exhale, releasing. Inhale, Exhale, I am present. Inhale, I am peaceful. Exhale, I am present. Inhale, I am centered. Exhale, I am present. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Gently bow the head and bring the hands together at the heart. Being grateful for all that we have. Being grateful for all that we can do. Being grateful that we came to our mat. Being grateful for our body and our breath. Inhale. Exhale. Namaste.